We're out here in Miami Beach or South Beach. Take a look. All right, let's go for a walk. They're actually advertising Bitcoin out here. I got some. Let's squeeze in here, the ladies. Gonna go to those tents and back. That's it. Or do you want to? You're saying there's bikes up that way?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, okay. Okay. We'll go down a little bit more.
Yeah. Bike different everywhere.
We're gonna come back that way though.
Yeah, we could have a bike, come there, go that way. Walk up there for a while and have some bikes over there.
Sure. Yeah.
Land is fun.
I got a puppy. Good boy, dude.
cleaner over here.
Yeah. Got parasails on down there?
Have you done that yet?
No.
I did that shit in Cancun.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it was fun. Oh no, Aruba. You get way up there.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of freaky a little bit. Cause you're like fucking just hanging if the string fucking gets chopped. You're hella high, you know? Oh, hey, look at this view.
Oh, big old Cheetos, man.
Yeah, man. What's up?
Can I get that on there? You mind? Look at the big old Cheeto, man. One chomp. Chomping Cheetos over here. He's living it up. Oh my god. I just ate something over there. Thanks. Yo! Hello. Say welcome to the Laughing Lion at Muscle Beach.
Welcome to what?
The Laughing Lion.
Welcome to the Laughing Lion at Muscle Beach.
Thanks.
We end this bitch. How's it going, brother?
Good, man. Just make a little YouTube video.
Yes, sir.
Wanna say hi? Or wave hi? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Man, I didn't even get your name.
Me? Big Tony.
You're gonna do some push-ups. Here, bro. I'm gonna jump in. Here, it's filming right now. It's filming.
Oh.
Get all of us, please.